Have you ever heard about polars? No, not the bear. I am talking about a library. Polars is a data frame library completely written in Rust. Similar to Pandas. Some people believe that it might replace Pandas library. Pandas has been around since 2008 and is widely regarded as one of the most powerful and flexible tools for data analysis in Python. On the other hand, polars is a relatively new library that provides similar functionality to Pandas but is designed to be more efficient and faster. Countless developers and data scientists have dedicated significant time to becoming proficient in Pandas, making it an essential instrument for data analysis. Even though polars might outperform Pandas in terms of speed and efficiency in certain situations, it doesn't entirely substitute Pandas and might not fit every project's needs. Polars will definitely not replace Pandas. In the coming time, they will coexist. Drop your opinions in the comment box below.